This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
With the joint efforts of the government and the Filipino people, the COVID-19 pandemic still poses a threat to our health. To prevent the spread of the virus, community safety guidelines and protocols are imposed nationwide, especially in locations where the numbers suggest an increase in cases recorded in the Philippines. While we treat homes as the safest place we can be in during these challenging times, now more than ever is the time we should pay closer attention to the air quality in our residences. Nanoe X Technology, the original ionizer to generate nano-sized atomic water particles, was developed by Panasonic Corporation. It's an electrostatic atomization technology that collects invisible moisture in the air and applies high voltage to it to produce hydroxyl radicals contained in water. The decisive factor is the existence of hydroxyl radicals inside Nanoe X. Hydroxyl radicals are characterized by being strongly oxidative and highly reactive. Panasonic has been conducting research on this technology for the past 20 years, since 1997, and has verified its effectiveness in a variety of areas, including inhibiting pathogenic microorganisms and breaking down PM2.5 components that have adverse effects on the human body. The novel coronavirus of the current global pandemic is one such new type of virus, and testing has now confirmed that the Nanoe X does have an inhibitory effect to this virus. The testing was carried out in a closed laboratory environment and was not designed to assess its efficiency in uncontrolled living spaces. Health is the utmost priority of every individual given the global pandemic, and with the help of companies who are working hand in hand to look after the welfare of every global citizen, the plight of the community in preventing the number of cases from growing is lessened and mitigated. Panasonic will continue to pursue the potential of Nanoe X technology to address possible risks associated with air pollution, such as new pathogenic microorganisms, with the aim of creating healthy environments for people around the world.